In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to design consistent characters for your children's book. Thank God for AI tools. It has become so easy to design children's books. Have you ever struggled to look for someone to illustrate your children's book? My overcomers, the times in which we are living, life has become so easy. Let me show you step by step how to do this. So I want you to go to google.com and then just type leonardo.ai. So you come to this first one and you click on it. If you already have an account, you can sign in and then you launch. If you don't have an account, you just put in your email and then you click yes. So now that we are in Leonardo, come to AI image generation and click here. This is a character I was already designing, then I decided to make this video. You can just pause the video and look at the criteria, the characteristics. One of the things that is very important to me is 8-year-old boy, and I make sure that I put the color of the boy is a white boy with brown hair, and then I give the character a name. He's called John. So the importance of that is that when you give the character a name, the AI knows that they are creating this information for John. And so if you continue to look, see, I say that he's standing because I want him to be standing. So when you put these criteria and then I put some other things to show how I want his facial experience, just pause the video and just see the characteristics, and you can just even copy this and try to design it and see how your own creation is going to look like. From this foundation, you can now create your own characters. So when you come here, you generate and then it comes out with an image. So this is the image that is giving us. I really don't like this image that much because there is not much I can do with this image. So now I want to change the name because I first of all had John for the previous character that I was making. So let's take something like Adams, and I want to also make sure that his feet are showing. So let's generate our character. So you can see that you can actually see his feet, right? So with this character, you can change so many different things. So now that we have our character, we can just come down here and download the character. And when you download the character, so you can come here and upload the character that you have downloaded, and then you bring it to our platform. Since you like this character, the reason why we are uploading the character is because you want to make other characters to resemble the character that you've already created. So you have to upload it to the platform and then create another character that looks almost like that character. This is very important to be able to have consistent characters. So now that we have uploaded our character, so you can make changes. Just play with all of these image weight, all these prompts. Just play with them. It's going to help you to create that consistent image. So the more you play with them, the more you will see how best your images are going to look. So another thing now, I want him to be sitting. So let's change that criteria and instead put sitting instead of standing. So let's see. But this is AI. Sometimes it's not going to really work. So you see, the character is not actually sitting. And so when you give this command, sometimes they are not going to work as you expect because it's an AI tool. It's still trying to train itself. But now let's see what will happen. I want to put something like sitting down, and then we generate. So we see that actually he's sitting down. So you just need to play with these commands and just play with it and see how best your result is going to come out. So we can also change it and put something like walking, and also see he's actually walking. So this actually worked. So he's walking. Make sure that, if you want to try, you can even put that you want to see his shoes. Another thing that is very important is here. When you come here, you can add any negative prompt. What is it that you don't want to see in your character? You can add it here. And then it's going to take out any negative thing that you don't want to see in your character. So my overcomers, I will encourage you to try out this thing. You can play with it. The more you spend time on the software, the more you are going to have knowledge. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Love you so much, my overcomers. Bye-bye.
Since we stumbled out, since you dragged me out from the dark, even now, when time has passed,